In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add students into your BandLab classroom. As an educator, you'll probably encounter situations where students join your class later in the school year or are absent during the initial setup day. But don't be worried, adding these students into your class is a lot simpler than you may expect.
The first thing you're going to do is go over to where it says Add Student. Then you're going to copy the following invite code and give it to your students. You could write this on the board so it's easy for them to see, or you can actually copy the link and post it into the LMS system of your choice, or send it to them via email. But I've found that the easiest way to do it is write the invite code on the board within your classroom and get them to enter it in manually. Your students should now be added to your classroom.